Good morning, class. See the picture on your screen. Children are playing. Clouds are there in the sky. It is raining and children are playing in the rain. Boats are there. Small boats are there in their hands. And a man is there who is looking outside the window that children are playing in the rain. Do you also play in the rain when it starts raining? Do you like it or not? Of course, you like it. I also like. Everybody like. So, when it rains, everything becomes happy. All become happy. Everywhere. Whether it may be human, it may be animal, or it may be nature. Everywhere happiness is spread. So the children are happy, man is happy, and everywhere happiness is there. Now see the next picture. See the animals are there and they were playing in the field because it was very hot. And when it starts raining, then they become happy. Yes. And see, their master is standing. It is the farmer. He is also seeing that it is raining and feeling happy. Clouds are there in the sky and it is raining heavily everywhere. You see the yellow grass is there. When the grass becomes yellow, when it is very much hot weather is there, a very sharp rays of suns are there. At that time the grass becomes yellow. So trees were also become yellow because of the heat. And when it started raining, they all become happy and everybody enjoy the rain. So today we are going to read the poem Rain in the Summer. Rain in summer. Now you see the first line. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. First of all, you see the rhyme scheme. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. See the sound. Rain, heat, street, lane. Rain is A sound, then heat B. Street is also same, then B. And lane is like rain, then it is also A. So what's the rhyme scheme? A, B, B, A. A, B, B, A. Right? Okay. So in the first four lines we say that how beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. Means in the narrow lanes means narrow streets, the rain is very beautiful because it was very hot and the street were very hot. Due to the hot weather, everywhere it was hot. So at that time it was very happy to enjoy the rain. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roof like a tramp of hoof. How does it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overwhelming spout. Means the rain, when the raindrops are falling on the roof, they are making a lot of sound. A very sound is looking like somebody is making heavy steps. So the sound is so much high because the drops are very big. The rain it is raining very heavily. So the sound is very much high and it is looking that somebody is thumping and the sound is very heavy. From the throat of the overflowing sound, and it is looking that when our throat is overflowing and the sound is coming very heavy, The same sound is coming when it is raining. Across the window pane, at pores and the pores, and swift and wide with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roar, that rain, a welcome rain. When it is raining heavily, there is water everywhere, and the streets have become muddy, full of water, mud water, because the rain brings mud also with it, soil also with it. So it was the color of the water was very dusty, muddy water was there. So everywhere it was muddy tide. And swift and wide means very speedily, and wide means in a broad, very big, on a very big scale. A muddy tide was there means water was there everywhere, muddy water. Like the river down the gutter roar means it was looking that the river has come there. Looks at the twisted brooks. The sick man from his chamber looks at the twisted brooks. He can feel the cool breath of each little pool. His fevered brain grows calm again, and he breathes a blessing on the rain. Now, an old man is described. He was suffering from fever, and he was feeling very hot due to fever. So, when it starts raining, his feverish brain, the rain that was very much hot due to fever, it has become calm now. He was feeling very much relaxed due to the rain, and breathes a blessings on the rain. So he was feeling very happy, and a blessings of the rain was there. From the neighboring school come the boys with more than their wonted noise and commotion, and down the wet streets sail their mimic fleets till the treacherous pool. Means here the poet explain the happiness of the school children. They are playing, they are very much happy when it is raining, and when their school is over, they have come in the street. And in the street, when they see the water everywhere, they started shouting and crying. Means their shout was more than other days. They were very much happy and excited. Therefore, they all were shouting in the rain. And they were playing with their paper boats. Paper boats are there in their hands. They all are enjoying, and they all are playing. In the treacherous pool means the pool has become on the road, because due to the heavy rain there was water, and water everywhere. Now see the next page. Engulf them in the whirling and turbulent ocean means it was the turbulent ocean everywhere, means brownish yellow violent ocean was everywhere, water everywhere, and they were enjoying. In the country on every side, where far and wide, like a leopard tawny and spotted hide, stretches the plain to the dry grass and the drier green. How welcome the rain! So now it is the turn of the earth to welcome the rain. The earth is also very happy to enjoy the rain, because it has become very tawny, means yellow due to the heat. It was looking as it's the body of the tiger. Spots were there, holes were there due to heat, patches were there, and the rain was very soothing on those patches, on this tawny and spotted hide. The rain has hidden all these things. In the furrowed land, the toilsome and the patient oxen stand, lifting the yoke and cumbered head, with their dialect nostrils spread, they silently inhale the clove scent jail and the vapor that arises from the well watered and smoking soil. Now it's the turn of the animals. The oxen, they are working in the field and the weather is very hot, and due to hot and the hard work they are very much tired because the weather is also hot and they are doing a lot of labor in the fields. So they are very much tired. And also the head is burdened with the load of the yoke, a wooden frame fastened over the neck. So they were very much tired due to all these things. So when it started raining, they were also very happy and excited, and they were very happy to inhale the sound of the soil. Means there was happiness everywhere. For their rest and the furrow from soil, their large and lustrous eyes seemed to thank the Lord, and their eyes has become large, and lustrous means shining, and it seems that they were thanking the God for their drops the God is throwing down. More than man's spoken word near the hand, from under the sheltering trees, the farmer sees his postures in his field of grain as they bend their toes, and to the numberless beating drops of the incessant rain, he counts it as no sin that he sees therein, only his own thrift on grain. So now it is the turn of the farmer to thank God for its rain, and he is sitting on his knees and thanking God for the drops that he has given, and due to that raindrops, the crop will be more and more, and there will be prosperity everywhere. When it is rain, then definitely the crop is more, and the farmer is happy because the rain will fetch a good crop. Therefore, the farmer is very happy and he is thanking God for the rain, and his only thrift and gain. So only thing he wants, that is prosperity, and prosperity is gained through the incessant rain, the rain, heavy rain that is moving, going on. So when there is a lot of rain, all are very happy. It may be street children, it may be school boys, a feverish man, land, animals, and the farmer. Everywhere happiness is spread when it is rain. So it all for the poem today. Bye students, tomorrow we shall discuss the exercise. Okay. Now see these questions. We have some time. We can see these options. The poet first describes the rain in the broad street and the narrow lane, flowing from the spouts on the roof across the window pane. Where he describes, first of all, it is A part, in the broad street and narrow lane. In the broad street and narrow lane. B part, second, the sick man blesses the rain because he breathes it twists and turns in a brook, it calms his fevered brain, it pools and cools. So what is the answer? It calms his fevered brain. C part, third part, the school boys come out in the rain to run, mimic other, sail their paper boats and shout. Yeah, sail their paper boats. Fourth part, the oxen seem to thank the Lord because the rain gives them. What the rain has given them? Time to rest, furrow, then food or grain. What is given? It is furrow, means happiness. Okay, so it's bye for today. Bye students.